All right, you made it to the end. In this video, we're going to put together all your parts in a working assembly here. You should, at this point, have attempted the practice assembly assignment to kind of get you back into the mindset of reducing those degrees of freedom. So let's get started. I'm going to click on Standard IAM and Create. Inside here, I'm going to place all of my components for the cabin. So I'm going to come in here. I'm already in my model cabin folder, and I'm just going to open and place each one of these, right? Now you notice this is still stuck to me, so I can right click and say okay, or I can just come back up here and say place again, and that's going to let me back in. Go ahead and grab my roof, open, place that somewhere up here. Go ahead and get 2 short walls. 1, 2, 1 for each side. And we're going to get a wall with an entry, open, that'll go there, and 1 more wall with windows right here, open, and I'll place that towards the back. And so there we go. There's all my components, and I'm ready to assemble. So at this point, I'm going to click Constrain. And remember, we're taking away degrees of freedom. So I'm going to get started with the, let's go with the wall with windows right here. I'm going to mate the floor. Okay. Remember, this can get confusing for some of you. Make sure you're using the height of the decking that we created and not the actual joist. There's a 1/2 inch difference or 3/4 or something like that. So just be cognizant that we're using this surface, never the top of these. So step 1, click the surface. What surface do I want attached to it? This one. Click apply. And now you see that I am not even right here. So I'm going to flush this surface to this surface. Click apply. And just a little pro tip, you see me moving around, navigating through here like this really quickly without having to use these tools. If you push down, reset there. If you push down, okay, so this is me rolling the mouse wheel. And if you push down on the mouse wheel, you can pan your screen around. And if you hold shift and push down on your mouse wheel, you can rotate. All right, so I'm going to rotate this over here, and I'm going to flush this surface to this surface and click apply. All right, now that's everything. If you feel comfortable, you can go do the rest of your drawing without watching this video. This video feels like it's going to be a long one. So I'm going to pick my next wall. We'll be to the short wall over here, and I'm going to first mate the side of that stud to the edge of this stud. Click apply. I'm going to flush the top plate to the top plate. Apply. I'm uneven in the back, so I'm just going to spin this around. There we go. And flush these 2 surfaces and apply. All right, go back to my home view, and I'm ready to add the front wall. Same operation. We're going to mate the face of that stud to the edge of this stud. We are going to flush the top plate to the top plate. And we're going to flush the edge of the wall stud to the face of the window. There we go, the window wall. Click apply. 3 are up, 1 more wall to go. Again, I'm going to mate this level to the bottom sill over here. Click apply. I'm going to flush the top to the top. Click apply. Whoop. All right, pick a new one, probably because I've already mated those. So I'll just flush this guy to this guy. Click apply. Now let's see how we're doing on that. All right, and then I'm going to mate that to this. There we go. Click apply. And now I'm going to give each one of these individually the wiggle test. So I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to grab that back wall, wiggle it. If it moves the whole house, we're good. Moves the whole house. Moves the whole house, and the floor should be doing the same. Whoop. And it does. Okay, so we've got all those up. I'm going to take my roof and I'm going to mate, let's see, really any one of these surfaces, this to this. All right. I'm going to apply that and flush this to this. Apply. Whoops. Do that again. Flush this to this. Apply. Now let's see, we need to move some stuff over, so I will mate this cutout to the side of the building over here. There we go. Apply. Am I all set? Yep. All right. One last tip. You see how some of my sketches are still turned on over here, right? So if I go to my roof and I go to my sketch and I say visibility off, that's going to clean that up a bit. Same thing, that wall with the entry, visibility. Whoops, not the whole thing. Visibility on. And I forgot, we got to go to the sketch. Visibility. Now I got this nice, clean looking cabin, my vacation home. Not really, but you got your house completed. Congratulations. This was a lot of work. And for those of you that consumed this and got it done, I'm really proud of you. This is no small task. So nice work. We're going to start building this in class now. So I've had fun up to this point. I hope you have, and I'll see you back on the other side. Like and subscribe.